Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Omotayo Akinremi, and today I want to raise awareness. I want us to know that there are some hospitals in Nigeria that can perform kidney transplant. So the essence of this video is to tell us that there is no need of traveling outside Nigeria for this procedure, that is the kidney transplantation. There are some hospitals in Nigeria with good success rate where you can actually do your kidney transplant, best of service, and they will follow up with you. So, with no significant order, the first on my list is St. Nicholas. In fact, St. Nicholas was the first to perform kidney transplant in Nigeria, and that was in 2000. And guess what? The recipient is still alive, much alive. So, the next on my list is Gariki Hospital. Gariki Hospital started in 2013, and during the COVID time, they stopped, but now the hospital has recommenced. So, you can reach out to Gariki Hospital for your procedure. St. Nicholas is in Lagos, Gariki Hospital is in Abuja. And the next on my list is Senate Medical and Kidney Center. The Senate Medical and Kidney Center started the procedure sometimes in 2015. So they are, I think this is 10 years in their services of kidney transplant. So they've been in this line of business for 10 years. Senate Medical and Kidney Center is in Abuja as well. So the next is Caroline Medical Center. Caroline too has been performing a lot of procedures, and trust me, they have good. All these hospitals have good success rates. So next on my line is Alliance Hospital too. Yes, you can do your procedure in. Okay, so you can have this transplant at Alliance as well. The next on my list is Aminu Kano Teaching Hospital at Kano. So this is a government-owned hospital, and the cost. So, welcome. As I was saying, Aminu Kano Teaching Hospital is a government-owned hospital. In fact, federal government-owned hospital, and the cost of the procedure in that hospital at Aminu Kano Teaching Hospital is cheaper. So you cannot compare the cost to that of other centers. Recently, Sokoto did their first transplant. They had their first transplant recently. I think that was in January. So, in a nutshell, if you are opting for kidney transplant, try to encourage your relation to donate for you, because commercial donation is illegal, not just in Nigeria but globally. And also, please, you don't need to travel outside Nigeria if you want to go for this procedure, as you can actually get the perfect service here in Nigeria. There's no need of stressing yourself to travel outside Nigeria. You can do the procedure in Nigeria stress-free, and there is good success rate as well. And let me tell you that before the doctors in Nigeria transplant, they ensure that the donor is compatible. They screen the donor for everything from hepatitis or to HIV or to hypertension or to diabetes, or to know that the donor has 2 kidneys, or to know that the 2 kidneys are functioning. A lot of screening. And sometimes they go a step further to do plasmapheresis to ensure that there will not be any form of rejection. All these things have been done before the procedure in Nigeria. They ensure that the recipient is okay to mentally, is ready to comply with the instruction, especially when it comes to the administration or taking of immunosuppressant medication. So there are a lot of things that we do here in Nigeria before we transplant patients. We don't just go into this theater to remove kidney, and no, there are a lot of procedures, a lot of protocols that back this thing up. So if you are looking forward to kidney transplantation, check out any of the hospitals I mentioned. Let me recap these hospitals once more. We have St. Nicholas in Lagos, we have Gariki Hospital, Abuja, we have Senate Medical and Kidney Center in Abuja, we have Caroline Medical Center in Abuja, we have Alliance is in Abuja, so we have Aminu Kano Teaching Hospital in Kano, and I can't get the name properly in Sokoto. I think it's a federal teaching hospital. I don't know. So a teaching hospital in Sokoto. So Those are the hospitals that you can actually do your kidney transplant. And some of these actually hospitals have good success rates when it comes to this procedure. So if you want to do kidney transplants, reach out to any of these hospitals for further inquiry. Inquiry means ask them the price, the cost, know the how many months the immunosuppressant will cover. You understand? Know the visitation, I mean the follow up, then investigations as well. So reach out if you are interested to do your kidney transplant in Nigeria to any of these hospitals. Take care of yourself. Bye.